family, it's Darla. Welcome to my channel, Crafty Yarn Owl with Darla. I have a bunch of things to show you and a few things to tell you that I've been doing. Actually, I want to start something new on my channel. I just thought of it this morning. It's kind of like shout outs. What I want to do, and I've made a list, is mention the channels whose videos I've watched in the last while, including today, yesterday, and a few days back. So I'll give you a list, and then I'm going to link their channels down below. So yeah, some of them I've commented on, some I have not. Sometimes I just play your channels while I'm cleaning the kitty's box, sweeping the floor, cooking, doing dishes, you know, things like that. So I watch as much as I can. I mean, if you're showing yarn or you're showing items that you've crocheted or your whips, it's like, oh, what's that? What's that? What did I miss? And then I rewind, and yeah, because I want to support you guys. You know, I want to support you. We're all in this together. Right? Okay, so let me just say this really fast, this list, and like I said, all the links will be below. Lisa Loves, Bagoday, Crochet Eh Canada, A Yarn Addict with Karen, Lisa's Crochet, Distinctive Crochet, Sabrina Melodieuse, Twisted Stitches, Gail, Patricia's Dollar Tree Hauls and More, Manic Mama, Creationz, No Idle Hands, I Love Loopy Crochet and Treasures, the Yarn Hag Ryan, Hi, it's Kris. Setta's Place, I started watching one of your recent videos. I'm behind by a few, so I'm going to catch up today. All right, so there may be a couple here, like I said, I didn't comment on, but I did watch you. And yeah, so I think I'll do this at the beginning of every video if I remember. Okay, so let's see. There's that, and I made this pumpkin, crocheted this pumpkin. I put this on my Instagram and my personal Facebook. I don't actually have a Facebook group for Yarniacs. I'm thinking about maybe starting one. Maybe I'll set a goal. Maybe if I reach 3,000 subscribers, I'll start a Facebook group. I don't know. Yeah, just an idea. But I'm on a lot of Facebook groups, so I do see your stuff that you create, and yeah, amazing. All right, so you'll see you know, I've clicked the love, or I've maybe commented on a couple. Usually I just click the love because, you know, there's a lot to look at, you guys. You guys are so creative and fast. Some of you are so fast. All right, so this is the pumpkin I made. I just kind of made it up as I went along, so I don't know. It could be my own pattern. I don't know. And believe it or not, I did not have any green yarn other than the really like kind of thin cotton yarn. And I'm like, oh my God, I gotta go to Walmart. I'm sure they have green yarn at Walmart, okay? Yeah. So I went there thinking maybe I could grab a little ball. No, they didn't have any little balls. I had to grab this big honking thing right here to make my stem. Oh, it's not that color. It's actually more of a little bit of a kind of darkish, but a little on the bright side, green. Okay, and it is not the softest yarn in the world. Red Heart Comfort. I don't know what's comfortable about it. And it doesn't give the name of the green. It says art, hashtag E707D, and then underneath is 3246. No dye lot, it says. And it's medium 4, 454 grams, 792 meters, 100% acrylic, and recommended hook is 5.5 and needle is 4.5. But yeah, Red Heart Comfort. So I don't know if this stuff softens up when you wash it. I really don't know. But I just needed a little bit to make this stem. And you know what? I learned something, and I'm gonna tell you what I learned. Maybe you already know this. Let me know in the comments if you already know this. The stem on a pumpkin isn't called a stem, like most people call it a stem, but you know what the real name is for it? And write this down or something, because it may come up in a future video. It is, let me spell it, P-E-D-U-N-C-L-E. It's a peduncle. This stem on a on a pumpkin is called a peduncle. I like that word. It's a little weird. That's why I like it. Peduncle. Right. So now I have this big thing I'm gonna have to do something with eventually. Okay. And then, oh, I want to show you this other thing. I won some yarn from OlaJoe, the Crocheting Sailor, Andrea, quite a while back. Well, sometime within the last year, because I've been on YouTube for a year. But this Bernat blanket, and I made, I forgot to bring them to show you. Anyway, I made a little blanket because I was trying to figure out, I wanted to make a blanket. So I started making a little bit of a blanket, and then I left it on the couch, and then my cats just were all over it. Well, my mom, I think I have one cat. But anyway, so I made a blanket, and for the cats. It's just like, I don't know, like that big or something. They love it. They love it. So I made that, and then I thought, well, I'll make something else small. I'll be right back. All right, so the other thing I made was this. What do you think? The Bernat blanket yarn makes wonderful teddy bears and you know, those things. Yeah, so I think he turned out pretty cute, and he actually does sit on a table or a dresser or wherever. So I had made that quite a while back, and this is the back. That's his little tail. Oh, he's dusty. He was way up on my bookshelf in the living room. So there's that, and so I don't know, a week ago or something, maybe I decided, okay, I'm going to use the rest of it to make a blanket, like just a throw for the couch, Afghan, whatever it's called, and it's just corner to corner. So I think it's working up really great. The size hook I think I was using was, of course I didn't bring that either, did I? No. Oh, wait, maybe I didn't. I did so. It's 10 millimeter. And that's what I used for the blanket here. 10 millimeter, just a corner to corner. And I thought, you know, I'm playing yarn chicken and I'm probably going to run out. So then I ended up going to Walmart to get more. They didn't have this color. I think this is just called burgundy. So I ended up getting the blue, it looks black, but it's called coal. And so I ended up getting that. So I got 3 of them. I don't think I'll need 3, but who knows, right? But anyway, so I'm already decreasing on both sides. But yeah, so I'm just gonna, I guess, add the black in this corner, maybe do an edging. I could frog this whole thing and do like the burgundy, few rows of burgundy, few rows of black, you know. Who wants to frog this much? I've done it before, believe me, I've done it before. Maybe you have too, I don't know. But yeah, so I'm working on that. And it's really soft and comfortable, and it's gonna be really, really warm. Okay, oh, so what am I wearing? This is something I designed. I will, this summer, and I used Trubu yarn, and I will link that tutorial below. And yeah, So, what else? What else? Something else. Something that I designed this summer, summer top, and I'm actually still working on it. I have the tutorial on my channel. I'll put the link to that below. This one, I wrote that it can be easily made into a dress. So I've been working on it, doing a couple rows a day or something, and it's getting longer. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. Let's see, and what hook size am I using? I'm using a 4. I'm using a 4mm because it's thin yarn. So let me see if I can pick this up without unraveling what I just did this morning. Okay. So yeah, this is it. Oops. Here goes the ball. Okay, so this is it. It started out as a top, but it can be made into a dress. This is a tie here. I have beads on it, so it cinches it in. And it's getting there. Let's back up for a sec here. So this cinched in part goes right under the girls there. And let's see. Can I back up far enough? Yes. All right, so it is just, well, once you put it on, it's, you know, a little shorter, you know. But it's just, it can be worn like this with shorts. But I'm going to make it longer because I have more, what do you call it? More of this yarn, which is what? I got it from Ice. It's great yarn to work with. Can't remember the name of it. But it's in the tutorial if you want to make this. And so that's getting there. Whew. And my hair. Is my hair darker? I made an appointment. Yay, I got into my hairdresser. Got in pretty fast actually. And she's amazing. I've been going to her for years now. And so I got her just to trim it. Usually I get all kinds of layers, but this time I just got her to trim the layers. Just trim it on the bottom and make shorter layers on top just to give it a little bit of height, and cut my bangs and color it. So the haircut, which was mostly a trim, coloring of my roots, which were getting really bad. I've never let them go that bad before. And then I got a color, kind of a reddish, light reddish brown kind of, and then I also got red highlights. So yeah, so it took about close to 3 hours for her to do all that. And what did it cost me? 165 bucks. Yeah, I mean, she did a lot. And yeah, so what you think? What you think? I do like the darker, because I did go with blonde highlights a while back, and yeah, I like the darker, like most of you guys. I think all of you pretty much said, or some of you said you like both the blonde highlights and then the dark, but I like the dark, I think. I actually freckle, so it suits me. I think I was born a redhead, or was I born blonde, but then it went red? Something like that. I don't know. I don't remember. Anyway. Yeah, so I think that's it. It says 7 minutes. Did I do all this in 7 minutes? Anyway. Excuse me. Love you all. I got all choked up because I love you so much. Love you all, and make sure you check out all those links below for the channels that I've been watching. You may be interested. You may maybe never heard of them, but I don't know. Let's see. They are all crocheters that, well, Gail actually, I she mentioned one time that she crochets, but I don't think she does it. You don't do that anymore? She's a paper crafter, and she's such a sweetheart. Oh my goodness. She's the one that sent me all those 6x6 paper pads. So sweet. So sweet. Gail, I'm getting Happy Meal ready for you. It's going to take a while because I'm just that. Okay. I know I don't have to. I know. But I want to. All right. So who else is there? Lisa Loves is also a crocheter. She does paper crafts as well. She has lives. All these people are crocheters. Manic Mama, Neva, she has, she talks about mental health, which I think is amazing of her to do that, and very, very important. I mean, people's mental health has been really affected by this virus, and she's a godsend as far as I'm concerned. I mean, she talks bluntly, but kind. You know, she's very kind the way she speaks. And I really appreciate that about her. Yeah, and then this, who's your president? Who is your president? Do we know yet? All right. So that's it. That's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I think there's a whole lot of stuff was jammed into these 10 minutes or so. But yeah, I just thank you so much for being here. And make sure you click like and subscribe and hit the bell and comment. I love your comments. Bye-bye for now.